mina ngingasho ukuthi i-human design system iyangisiza ngoba ngampela umqondo is always racing and there's only just a tiny difference between doing the right thing at a wrong time or the wrong thing at the right time. There's just that tiny difference, yabo. So ngisho mina ukuthi human design iyangisiza ngoba ingenza ukuthi ngingatatazeli, yabo. Ngazi ukuthi yabo njengamanje akakabi sona isikhathi sokuthi ngenze lento ekumele ngabe ngiyayenza. Ngesizathu sokuthini ngiyayibuza ukuthi i-chart lami lithini, lithi angirespond. Uma ukuthi kumele ngiresponde lento engifuna ukuyenza noma le business engifuna ukuliqala noma le initiative engifuna ukuyithatha, ngiyebuza umbuzo owodwa nje ukuthi kusukaphi lokho, yini eyenzekile njengoba sengifuna ukwenza lokho, yabo. It's just that tiny difference between doing the right thing at the wrong time and the wrong thing at the right time. There's just that tiny difference, yabona, to the point yokuthi if you consistently doing the wrong things at the right time or the right things at the wrong time, you just messed up and you don't fill up your cosmic purpose ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Hloso yami ngakugona ukuthi ibe yinde le video, but ngizo re-emphasize nje ukuthi mfethu kuzona zonke izinto ezikhona emhlabeni ngaphansi kwelanga, yabo mfethu, the bus stops with you. Okumele ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi the bus stops with you. Awucabange la khona at the crossroad, awazi ukuthi uthathe u-left noma uthathe u-right. What do you do ey'meni ey'fana nalezo? Abantu siyababona ukuthi bayaye beconsulte, bebuza abantu abathile, balalela abantu abathile, bathatha ama-advice nama-opinions abanye abantu bese baya-analyze, bese bekhohlwa nje mfethu ilento encane kakhulu. Ile encane ukuthi abantu, they should not let you pull that trigger or to take that decision. They shouldn't be the guiding system ukuthi just because my friend said this. No, they shouldn't. Bona they can serve as they can serve as a pool nje where you can just process information. They just serve as that, where you just take in information. You just analyze. Yes, it's fine. But yazi mfethu ukuthi bonke abantu bengakutshela ukuthi yes, grab this opportunity. Grab this opportunity. Everyone tells you that would grab this opportunity. Not even a single person that says no, don't take this opportunity. Wonke umuntu take this opportunity. Uyazi ukuthi kukhona into eyodwa ekuwe futhi engavele ithi no, I don't take this opportunity. It's like all these people are wrong. They don't get it. I'm the one who feels this thing ukuthi I shouldn't be doing this. All of them are wrong. I'm the only one who is right. Why wafika kuleso sigaba leso where you feel ukuthi no, all of these people, I think I'm the one who is right here. Yeah, but even though they see the way they see things, but I can tell ukuthi, but because there's this thing that we call mind, umqondo uzokudidisa ukuthi, do you think ukuthi all these people are wrong? What if they are all right? You are the one who is wrong. You see, mina into engikutshela yona ukuthi kulesi sikhathi esiyakusona, kulesi sikhathi esinqonqoza kusona, kulesi sikhathi esibheke kusona, i-internal authority ne-human design system izobe ujikelele baba, ngoba uzongakwazi ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwamanga neqiniso. Ngikutshele mina indlela i-chaos ezobe ingakhona isiqalile vele. awusakwazi manje ukuhlukanisa phakathi kwento ekuthiwa i-content le iqiniso leli yabo udinganike lapho because impilo iya ngokuya yabona nje manje amanga abamanga kakhulu iqiniso liba iqiniso kakhulu yabo bese kube ukuthi wena ungaphi ke wena impilo nje manje uyibuka kanjani because khona abantu abathi nje manje impilo i-terrible indlela okwenza ngayo izinto khona abantu abathi hey asikho isikhathi esiright ukuphila kuso njengalesi esikusona njengamanje uyabo those people ke abantu abasebenzisa exactly into engishoyo the internal guiding system kubona abangasahambi nokuthi i-crowd ithini i-society ithini ugovernment uthini othisha bathini obani ama-external authority athini they are using they are independent isikhathi esiyakusona guys is the time for independence autonomy isikhathi esiyakusona uzophiliswa zinqumo zakho that is why I preach human design system and ufunda umuntu ongafuni ukufunda once you stop lokungana reading ke you start dying lapha uyokwenza i-human design chart reading yakho leyanto ifuna ukuthi ufunde mawuthi uyilivila kangako lokufunda ke uzofunda lezi iziqeshana ezikhona lapha ku-Akashian Mate ufunda lezi iziqeshana ezikhona lapha ulalele nama video kodwa i-summary in detail i-summary hlala phansi ufunde ngoba it's an information age lesikuyona musabalekela ukufunda go unto you